Well, we've got lots of Serenau yr wythnos, stars of the week this week, so let's start with Nursery AM. We have got Ava for trying so hard to say this week's new Welsh sentence and teaching me how to cook a chicken dinner. Well done. I'm sure Miss Thomas is really proud of herself now as well. In Nursery PM, we've got Olivia for completing every bit of home learning this year. Well done to you. Esme in Reception Mr. Bynum's class for working so hard to form her numbers correctly at home. She's tried so hard to grasp the number 8. Oh, that goes all around and around and around, doesn't it? Well done, Esme. Elise in Reception Miss Jamal's class for perseverance in home learning and learning the day of the week song. Brilliant. You can sing at home, which is fantastic, isn't it? We should do more of that, I think. Lucy in Year 1 Mrs. Barnes' class for such an improvement in her cursive joined up writing and great taking away this week using a number line. Brilliant, Lucy. Year 1 Miss Griffiths at Mrs. O'Connor's class. Poppy for all the fabulous work you have completed in your home learning and challenging yourself to do even more. In Year 2 Miss Colasanto's class, Patrick for his commitment to home learning and all the fabulous work he has produced in his portfolio. Year 2, Miss Jones, Shayla, for producing excellent work week after week after week. Well done to you, Shayla. Year 3, Miss Fitzgerald, Maya, for choosing words for interest, variety and effect. I have loved reading your language work over the last 2 weeks, said Miss Fitzgerald. In Year 3, Mrs. Murray's class, Leo, for working so hard during lockdown and for a fantastic space story, using lots of compound sentences. I am so proud of you, says Mrs. Murray, and me too, Mr. Knight says. In Year 4, Mrs. Thomas and Mrs. Davis' class, Hartson, for your perseverance and your effort when trying to improve your skills in your learning at home. Year 4, Mrs. Jones' class, Chloe for choosing to extend her ICT skills to create a fantastic PowerPoint quiz all about her family. That sounds exciting. I want to go with that now. Year 5 Miss Hayes' class, Simi, for working hard on her literacy and numeracy activities every day. It's so important and you must be learning so much from that as well, Simi. Year 5 Mrs. Evans' class, Daniel, for helping out his dad. Dad has been going to work and Daniel has been going out on some occasions to help him, no matter the weather. Well done to you then, Dan. Year 6, Miss Higgs' class, Lucy, for her amazing letter to me with suggestions about how we could connect with lonely people in our community. Wonderful empathy, says Miss Higgs. And Lucy, don't you worry, I will be writing back to you very soon. Year 6, Mrs. Jones' class, Olivia, for beautifully written explanation text on deforestation and its effects on our planet. You used all of the features of explanation text and produced work to be super proud of. Diane, well done to all our Serenau yr wythnos. Let's give them 3 cheers. Are you ready? Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray!
I'm going to end our time together today with some quiet poetry, something that you could use in the week if you want to have some time to calm down. It's poems from a book called Breathe and Be, a book of mindfulness poems by Katie Coombs. I breathe slowly in, I breathe slowly out. My breath is a river of peace. I am here in the world. Each moment I can breathe and be. I watch the stream. Each thought is a floating leaf. One leaf is worry. Another leaf is sadness. The leaves drift slowly, softly away. I breathe slowly in, I breathe slowly out. My breath is a pathway of peace, moving softly through me each day I can breathe and be. Goodbye everyone, see you next week.